This view, oh my God. Wow, I have never seen a view like this. This view never gets old, guys. You can literally sit here for hours and look at this view. This is the most visited place in Trabzon.
Make a tiny bit and make a baby bust that jingle bell.
Bell button, there's jingle bell.
Jingle bell. This is officially the best thing and the most scariest thing to do in Trabzon. The cost for this is 30 lira. Okay, tamam yeter tamam. Toma. You can still see snow top of the mountain, and there are homes that are literally on top of the mountain right there, and they're literally sitting sideways. It's crazy. Welcome to another travel vlog. Today we're in a very special place, and this place is like paradise. It's known as the Swiss Alps of Turkey. It is called Trabzon, and the exact location is called Uzungol. This is the most popular place in Trabzon region. Uzungol means long lake. This place is stuck between two mountains with an amazing masjid and a lake. It literally takes your breath away, and it gets more beautiful as you go up the mountain to the top, and then you get to sit down on a swing and look at the view and see the clouds rolling across between the mountains. As you can see in the videos, a lot of the driving up the mountain in one-way streets were done with my kids in the car. In my honest opinion, as long as you have an SUV, you will be just fine, as long as you're a good driver and you don't drive during a crazy weather like rain. As long as you follow those golden rules, you should be just fine. Alright folks, so all the Google Maps link to everything in this video is all in the description box with timestamp. So if you just click on that, everything is right there for you. Alright guys, we're literally stopped middle of the road going through a waterfall, and that's basically a road here. Welcome to Google Maps, Habibi. That's how we do it in Turkey. Right, Sada?
Yeah.
Yeah? Yeah? Yeah?
That's what I'm showing.
There we go. So folks, since there's so much to do in Trabzon and Rize and the surrounding areas, and they're so far apart, we decided to do a multi-video vlog. So in addition to this video, you're gonna have a couple more that's gonna go into other parts of the area, and also there'll be one video in the end covering everything at a much faster pace, so you'll get a feel for what's to do when it's all said and done. Hopefully you enjoyed this. Thanks so much. All right guys, watch Miriam sleep. Hey Miriam, you sleeping? Cito, you sleeping? Skeleton not sleeping. We're making our journey. Just got on the highway to Uzungol. So I have had the opportunity visiting Trabzon 3 times in the last 10 years. I've done it with a tour guide, I've done it with a rental car myself, and I've really seen this city change so much in 10 years. And I'm going to show you all the things I know about this city and all the amazing places you can go to. Welcome to Turkish tea in Trabzon. This is very, very popular here, guys. They make tea, Turkish tea with old school wood. You'll see this all along the way going up to Uzungol. So we were here actually 2 years ago, so we're back. And also if you want some honey, they have some awesome natural homemade honey that they make themselves here. Now, this is the most famous place, and it's also the most crowded place, so just be ready for it, especially if you're going to go during peak season. If you're going to go on a weekend, this place can really be packed with a lot of people. And one of the things that you're going to notice, especially here and a lot of places in Trabzon, you're going to see a lot of people from the Arab countries. This is their #1 destination in Turkey, especially with a lot of people that just got married as their honeymoon. So all this, guys, here is mineral water from the mountains. This thing right here, guys, goes for hours and hours. We've literally driven like 4 hours up the mountain, and we've been on top of that mountain over there above the clouds, like all the way on top right there. And there's a beautiful village on top. We were here 2 years ago.
Make our channel big and make it baby. Subscribe our channel, guys. Make our family big. Make our channel big. Subscribe our channel. Bust that jingle bell.
Bell button, there's jingle bell.
Jingle bell.
So we're at one of our favorite places to eat. It's called Migron Restaurant. We've been here plenty times. They have one of the best foods, in my opinion, here in Uzungol. So with that said, let me show you the restaurant, show you what we're gonna eat, and tell you the pricing. And of course, the cool thing with this restaurant, you get amazing views of the mountains, the mosque, the masjid, and of course the little lake right here in the front. And then there you go, somebody just paragliding on the top. We're gonna go there later on. That's a pretty cool experience. You got two more on top. There you go. This is in my opinion, one of the best restaurants, as I said before. The views are amazing. You get an amazing view of the lake, the masjid, and the people parasailing right over you. And the food here is really, really good. It's probably one of the best foods I've tasted in the entire Turkey. Like, I'm not kidding you. It's really, really good. So Iskandar is 400 lira right now, which is about 20 bucks on the money. So 20 bucks for Iskandar, which is expensive, but Turkey is going through, you know, financial challenges now, so everything is jacked up like crazy. But in my opinion, if you're gonna eat anywhere in here, this is the place. Biggest bucket of bread I've ever seen. Bigger than my head. What do you think, Sarah? Bigger than my head? Yeah. Yeah? You want bread? You want me? Lunch is served. I got Iskandar. Sarah got kavurma. So it's like beef cooked in grill. The kids got pide. So let me show it to you. All right, let's give it a taste. It's really good.
Now, if you are a drone person, you love drone, this is the perfect place to fly it. You get amazing views. As you can see from mine, the views here are just breathtaking views. It is out of this world. If you have a drone, definitely recommend bringing it with you and enjoy the amazing videos you're going to take here.
And that right there, guys, is the other observation deck, or the official observation desk, should I say. Let me give you some important information about parasailing. It is the cheapest option is 150 bucks. It does not include video or pictures. If you want video and pictures, it's extra 50 bucks, it's $200. And then if you want a female pilot to sit behind you and steer you versus a male from a religious perspective, then it's $250. So it's extra 50 bucks, which is the most expensive thing I have ever heard or witnessed in the entire Turkey. I even tried to negotiate, you know, try to get Turkish price versus foreigner price, like it's one price. Even though they have nobody in queue, they will not honor low price. So, you know, it's your choice. You think if it's worth 150, 200, 250 bucks, you know, it's once in a lifetime opportunity, especially a unique place like this. But for us, Sada wanted to do it, but 250 bucks is a lot of freaking money, you know, to be able to do something that only lasts, you know, a couple minutes.
The view here never gets old. I mean, it's just incredible. These trees are huge, and yet from here they don't look so big. So you got like 4 over there that are doing it right now. You got one that's getting ready to land.
Welcome to observation deck. That's what they call this. It is a literally mountain with literally just zigzag back and forth and full of cafes. And they have a swing here. They have multiple swings. So with that said, let's get some coffee, get on the swing, and have some views of the beautiful lake and the masjid right behind us. So let me show you. You can still see snow top of the mountain, and there are homes that are literally on top of the mountain right there, and they're literally sitting sideways. It's crazy. There's one set of swings right there. You got the heart one at the lower level. This view, oh my god, wow, I have never seen a view like this. This is incredible. You guys excited? You scared? You gonna be a good girl or bad girl? You gonna be a good girl or bad girl? Look at the mountains, look at the mountains, look. Deep breath day. You nervous? You not nervous? Haydi bismillah. Afiyet olsun. I don't want it. I don't want it. Allah. Okay, tamam yeter tamam toba. Valla toba. This is officially the best thing and the most scariest thing to do in Trabzon. Besides paragliding, I'm sure. The cost for this is 30 lira, which is $3, $2.50. Probably the cheapest thing to do in Trabzon.
Amazing view.
Yeah, the mountains, the snow and everything. One of the best things to do here is to have breakfast with amazing view. Breakfast here is about 300 to 400 lira, depending on where you go. And that's per person, and it can go up to 4 people. And they basically bring a bunch of small plates, dishes to the table and fill it all up. So probably one of the best breakfasts, one of the most expensive breakfasts that you're gonna pay for. But the views here, guys, are amazing. It is well worth it. Sido, what are you having? Gum?
No gum.
Sugar? Bad, Sido. Why are you having gum, Sido?
And
It's, it's not good for your teeth.
yeah, I'm told her.
It's not good for your teeth. Let me see your teeth. Your teeth are pretty. Let me see your teeth. Redneck Mariam. This view never gets old, guys. You can literally sit here for hours and look at this view. One of the cool and amazing things about this place, guys, is literally 1 minute you're above clouds, next minute you're the same level, and another minute you're right below it. You feel like you can literally jump and touch the clouds and grab it. This place is very well known for that. The oxygen here is extremely clean. Like, you can literally tell the difference of the oxygen, and all of the water is spring water from the mountains, from all the snow and everything that it melts. We're here in end of May, and there's still literally snow on top of the mountain. We've been here in the much later months like July and August, and it's much warmer, and you can still see snow. If you come to Turkey, get on a plane and come here. It's cheap. You can do a round trip for about 50, 60 bucks. Get here, spend a couple days, and go back to Istanbul. Like salam habibi.
Now, once you're done with the main activities in Uzungol, I definitely recommend driving another 30 minutes past the lake, because once you go up, you're gonna be able to see the water creek, the picnic areas. And one of the things I definitely enjoy, and I've done it multiple times, is to drive up the mountain, and then it's a 20 to 30 minutes up the mountain, and it's gonna put you in a place where you are above the clouds and you have some of the most amazing views in that area. Now, if you're scared of heights, I don't recommend it, because it is pretty much a one-way street the whole time. But if you're a good driver, you're up for adventure, it is well worth it. It'll be one of those vacations that you will never forget. I've never forgotten it. It is an amazing feeling to be able to get to the top and look at the view.
Alright folks, we're end of our video, but with that said, don't worry, we have 2 more videos coming your way at the end of this screen that you can click on. With that said, thanks so much, and please don't forget to follow us.